Today I'm making homemade tortilla chips. I'm just going to cut them with my pizza cutter. I'm going to brush a bit of oil on the pan. And preheat the oven to 350. And we're going to just put these on. Now that I have them all on, I'm just going to brush them with a little bit of oil. And when the oven is ready, they're going to cook for about 6 minutes on each side, or until crunchy. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook some spinach. Well, I have popped the little corn tortillas that I cut into little chip-sized things into the oven. Now I'm chopping some spinach because I'm going to make a cheese dip, a spinach cheese dip. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1/3 of a cup of plain yogurt. So 1/3 of a cup of plain yogurt. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried onion. Mix that up. Going to add 2 teaspoons of flour. Oh, I think it's more like a tablespoon. I'm going to mix that up. Then I'm going to add my spinach. Not sure if I need all of this, but I like spinach, so I'll just throw it all in there. I squeezed as much water as I could out of it. Then I have 1 cup of crumbled cheese. This time I have old cheese I'm using this time. Actually, that's quite thick. Might not need the last little bit. Okay. I'm going to sprinkle a little parsley on top. And I will cook that at 350 for 20 minutes. So the tortilla chips are nice and brown. Just going to sprinkle with a little bit of salt. And I'm going to cool them on this rack. I have popped the cheese dip into the oven. The spinach dip is done, and the tortilla chips are ready for a taste test. I hope you try this simple recipe. It's just corn tortillas I cut with my pizza cutter and baked on a pan, boiled on both sides, sprinkle salt when they're hot, let them cool, and they're crunchy. And the cheese dip has no cream cheese in it, I just used regular cheese, bit of flour, some garlic, some dried onions, and yogurt. And a sprinkle of parsley on the top, and of course chopped spinach inside that I squeezed out really well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make a comment, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you when I make my next video. Enjoy!